Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to convert your SpayLater balance to GCash in 2025, the updated and the easiest method. First off, SpayLater doesn't allow a direct transfer to GCash since they're a different platform. But don't worry, there's a smart workaround to get your funds moved safely. Here's the step. Start by using your SpayLater balance to buy a load or a prepaid credits on Shopee that you can send your GCash number. You can do this by searching for load or GCash in Shopee and selecting the right product. Complete the purchase by paying with this SpayLater. Once you receive the load or a prepaid credit, open your GCash app and redeem the load or credits to your GCash wallet. Alternatively, you can also buy Shopee gift cards with SpayLater and then sell or redeem those gift cards for GCash funds through trusted third-party platform or friends. Make sure to always use trusted seller or platform when converting gift cards to GCash to avoid scams. And that's it. A simple way to move your SpayLater funds over the GCash using Shopee services. If this video helped you out, smash the like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and leave any question down below. Catch you in the next one.